The only thing that's changed between those two sentences is the G's. Too many numbers. Everyone look up here.
R sure
So
Joe.
let's see if it's parallel. Xing,
Yep. G. Leo
Leo.
sure.
Shi. Blank, blank, yue, blank, zhi. So anytime you have this character G, I want you to just think of it as a blank space. Just think of it as a blank space. You're going to fill it with a number. Yeah? So what I want you to do though here is, on the quiz, you're going to write the whole answer in Chinese. Now, that sounds tough, but if you look here, do we have all the characters you need
Yeah.
to write the answer pretty much? Yes.
Or can you use both characters and pinyin or just characters?
Just characters.
Okay.
Just characters. So, here's the other thing I'm giving you on this quiz. There's a word bank here. It has all the numbers. Has all the numbers in it. It also has the characters that you need for Sunday. Tian and zhi. Right, those are up there as well. So it has everything you need already on the sheet. There's no characters that you need to think of off the top of your own head and write. Nothing like that. Everything you need is on this page. So let's look at number 1 together. See if we can figure this out. So, if you look here, 星期二是几月几日? Dong Kai Na, what is 星期二? 星期二. Second day of the week. Which is?
Why do you answer it for her?
No, Monday's not the Tuesday's the second day. Right. In Chinese. So for number 1, we're looking at this, right? Okay. So we're looking at 星期二是几月几日? What do I want to find out? Don't kind of. What am I trying to find out about Tuesday? 几月几日? So there's only 3 pieces of information that are in this chart, right? We have a day of the week, we have the date, and we have the month. So the question is asking about 星期二. So we already know the day of the week, right? So if we know the day of the week, the things I'm looking for are the 月 and the 日. What is 月? Month. Good. And what is 日?
The day of the month.
Day of the month. Right. So the 2 things I need to know are the numbers for the month, right? G, it's going to be a number, and G for this one. Right. So what's the answer? We're going to write the whole thing down. So 星期二 is not going to change. This first part here, this is the thing. This is Tuesday. Tuesday is,
Sure.
right? We're still going to have the sure.
Oh, so we got to do a little math.
Tuesday is, we don't have to do any math. It's just up here. 几月?
Are you a?
Are you at? Right. It's the, right? It's the what month? It's the
Second.
second
And
month.
that's going to be for all these answers?
Right, yeah, that's pretty much because all of them are taking place during February. It's going to be the same answer for all of those, right? All of the US should be the same, right? Now, how about 几日?
Sure, woo, sure.
Sure, wool. Sure. Make sense to everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah? Does that make sense? So
Yeah.
it seems really hard and complicated at first. And like, I really feel like I kind of have to front load this quiz a little bit because a lot of students just, they see it and they're like, they have no idea what to do. So the thing that you have to remember is the difference between the question and the answer is the G is just going to transform into a, what's the G going to transform into, guys?
A number.
A number. G
All
is
the
going to
time.
transfer into a number, okay? So we'll practice some of these a little bit later after I go over the rest of it, show you what the rest of the quiz looks like. Okay, so that's section 1.
That looks terrible.
Section 1 of the quiz. It seems really hard once you get going on it. I'm sure it'll be like, oh. Section 2. You're just going to use the words in the word bank to fill in the blanks. Now this is one section of most of my quizzes that a lot of students exhibit difficulty with. And here's my suggestion. When you see a section like this, you approach it by reading it out loud. Okay, so all the words in here, because you're beginners, you have no sight characters yet, all of the words in here have pinyin. Right? All of them. Every single one of them has pinyin. So, Long Laoshi says, what do I say at the beginning of class every day?
Tong Sherman Hao.
Tong Sherman Hao, right?
Tong
Good.
Sherman Hao.
Students say,
Long
Long
Lao
Laoshi Hao. Long Laoshi says, 今天是几月几日星期
G.
几, right? Okay.
Tong Sherman.
Tong Sherman say,
Ho-
so we're
今
talking
天
about,
是
right? 今天是
十月
月8日星期四. Good. Now, Long Laoshi asks a student, 你多
Dollar.
Dollar.
大了, right? And then 我13
Swing.
岁. Right.
Swing.
And process of elimination, of course, works. If you're sure of an answer, just cross it off. But if you read it out loud, rather than just trying to stare at the characters till your brain hurts, if you read it out loud according to the pinyin, the whole thing should lock into place. That's section 2 of the quiz. Okay, section 3, matching.
Yeah, that's unreadable.
So you need to know all of your yesterday, today, tomorrow, day before yesterday, day after tomorrow words. You need to know all of those.
Wait, we can use our notebook, right?
Nope. This is closed note. So that's why we're going over this together, so that we know what the quiz is going to look like, so it's not just a big nasty surprise next Tuesday.
When is it? Oh, next.
Next Tuesday. Yes. Tomorrow.